Hi, how's it going? In today's lexical chunk, we're looking at the brilliant lexical chunk to leave someone in the lurch or to be left in the lurch. And it was inspired by a conversation with one of our students who's having some building work done in her house. She's having a house renovated, and the builders that she had hired to do the job have just abandoned her and left her in the lurch. So she's now got this problem where she's got this half-finished house and no one to finish it. And this is what happens when someone promises to do something, or you expect something from someone and then they let you down and they leave you kind of in a difficult situation or in a difficult position. You've been left in the lurch. For example, a different context. The star player on the team quit the team the day before the final and left the rest of his teammates in the lurch without their star player.